let's dive into a little exercise of imagination and visualization together. So picture this. Picture abundant wealth, the final abundance jump. You know, it's that place where you're content with everything you have. And imagine it as where all your things are kept. Wouldn't you want to visit there often? I sure would. That's for sure. You know, but before we go there, let's talk about the things, the people, and the places that you love. Because everyone has their special way of unwinding, right? Maybe it's zooming around free as the wind on a scooter, on a bike, or gliding down the ski slopes, or sailing into the sunset, you know, to discover the world. Maybe it's favorite items of jewelry or art or exotic vacations. If you could just twitch your nose, right? Like that cartoon, that lady who was bewitched, and be with your absolute favorite thing. What is it? Is it a person? Is it a place? Is it a thing? Or is it maybe, you know, a mix of them all? You might dream of landing a leading role in a movie, or being elected to CEO of a company, or being the president of your sports company, a leader in your country, owning a football club. I mean, it's endless. Or having your signature TV show or podcast. You are only limited by the choices that you allow yourself to dream about and to want. I say, bigger decision, bigger vision, bigger vision, bigger decision. The universe holds endless possibilities, and it's only up to you to order what you want from the universal menu that's on offer. And it is on offer. So let's make the most of it, and let's enjoy every moment. I want us to embark on a journey of visualization to unlock the boundless and endless potential within you, I should say. So find a cozy spot wherever you are, where you can relax completely, chill out. Close your eyes gently and take a slow, deep breath in, allowing your lungs to fill with calmness and peace, right? And as you exhale mentally, repeat the number 3 to yourself and envision that number with each breath, creating a feeling, a sense of serenity. And continue this rhythmic breathing, this time focusing on the number 2, feeling yourself sinking deeper with each exhale into the relaxation as you breathe out. And now visualize the number 2, guiding you further into this tranquil alpha state of mind. And one more time, continue this rhythmic breathing, focusing on the number 1. And now feel yourself sinking, dropping deeper into relaxation, like looking over a staircase, guiding you further into this very tranquil state of mind, alpha. Now I'm going to count from 10 to 1. And I want to feel yourself dropping into a serene meditation level where your mind is clear, your mind is focused. And with each descending number, just allow yourself to sink deeper and fully immerse yourself into this very soft and peaceful state. 10, feel a sense of knowing and of calmness washing over you. 9, this warm energy is cleansing you. 8, sinking deeper into relaxation, letting go of any tension or stress. 7, you're going deeper. 6, you're peaceful. 5, you're feeling lighter and more at ease with each passing moment. 4, your breath is slowing down. 3, your body is so relaxed. You have the sensation of floating. 2, you're entering a state of complete relaxation and of mental clarity. 1, you are now in a state of perfect calmness and focus, and you're ready to explore the depths of your mind. And while you're in this very peaceful, tranquil state, affirm to yourself every day, in every way, I am getting better and better, and state which way you're getting better in. Feel the power of these words resonating within you, bringing forth positive change and growth in all aspects of your life. Don't choose, you're entitled to it all. Now, let's take a moment to release any remaining tension from your body. So just relax your eyes, your lips, your jaw. Allow all the muscles in your face and in your body to soften and to unwind. And feel the weight and the warmth of relaxation that spreads from your head all the way down to your toes. You feel completely at ease, completely at peace, and repeat after me silently. My body rests and refreshes itself when I consciously relax. I am relaxed. And embrace this feeling of being relaxed and of inner peace as you continue to breathe slowly but deeply. Now envision yourself in your mind's eye, in your imagination, sitting comfortably in the alpha level of meditation. See yourself surrounded by a warm, diffused, gentle light, feeling completely at ease. And place the tip of your tongue on the upper, soft palate of your mouth. And count 1, 2, 3, silently. This signifies to your body to focus on the images and on the emotions that you're feeling. And this tongue movement connects your conscious thoughts and your mind to your habitual mind. And that creates your program. So with your tongue gently touching the roof of your mouth, affirm to yourself your determination for success, your trust that the universe will give it to you. Feel a sense of empowerment and focus, filling your being as you're setting your intentions for the journey ahead. This is your autopilot. And let your imagination take off. We're going to embark on a trip, on a journey, and we're going to meet your twin self, your embodiment of ultimate wealth and abundance. And visualize a door that sort of shows up in front of you. It's shimmering with a possibility and potential. And with each breath, feel yourself drawing closer to this door of opportunity. I'm going to count from 1 to 3. And feel yourself becoming more and more attuned to the energy of abundance and the energy of prosperity that awaits you on the other side. Now, this subtle but powerful energy is already magnetically attracting you to the door. The door is irresistible to you, and you feel a sense of anticipation building within you. Your excitement grows as you prepare to step through that door. And the door opens before you, and it reveals the infinity, filling over with boundless riches and fulfillment. Step through the door now and admire your identical twin self, radiant with prosperity and abundance. See yourself surrounded by all the symbols of wealth and success that you desire, feeling a deep sense of joy and fulfillment. Take a moment to immerse yourself in this vision. Just allow yourself to fully embrace this feeling of abundance and wealth. It surrounds you. It's everywhere. You can breathe it. Know that this reality is within your reach, and it's waiting for you to claim it as your own. And so as you hug and you merge with your twin self, enjoy morphing into your new skin. Feel a sense of alignment and harmony that it sort of washes over you. And feel the marvel at seeing life from this new, abundant, wealthy point of view. You feel your empowerment. You feel your heart overwhelmed with gratitude. You feel the fullness of your awareness and your discovery of attracting the rhythm and the energy of abundance into your life. Now embrace this feeling of empowerment. Embrace it, it's yours. And possibility, as you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, squeeze your thumb, your index, and your third finger tight for a few seconds, like I'm doing. And as you anchor this emotional memory into your autonomous energy system, your subconscious. And now, as I count from 1 to 3, allow yourself to return to the present moment. You're feeling refreshed, you're feeling rejuvenated, and you're filled with a renewed sense of purpose, a sense of determination. 1, feel yourself coming back to the here and to the now. 2, become aware of the sensations in your body and the sounds around you. And 3, when you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling awake, alert, and be ready to embrace the abundance around you. You are now fully present and aligned with the energy of abundance. You've felt it, you've seen it, and it's happened. So carry this feeling with you as you go about your day. Know that you really have the power to create the life of your dreams. You emit what you want to attract, and that's how it works. So for the best results, listen to this visualization every night before you go to sleep. And do it for at least 3 weeks. And just become aware of the shifts of the results, of the new type of reality that you're experiencing or that you're seeing or whatever it is. But it's happening, okay? Bye-bye. And if you want to find out more, you know where to find me.